In this video, we will be discussing the startup procedure for the MS-10 platform. Begin by connecting the interstage pumps into the back of the platform, ensuring that the notch on the pump connector is aligned with the indent on the electrical receptacle. Failure to properly align the pump connector will result in irreparable damage to the platform. After aligning the pump connector, push it into the receptacle and tighten the fitting to secure it in place. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 pumps on the platform. Plug the micro USB connectors from the diamond bags into the back of the platform so all electrical connections have been made. Connect the wetting phase inlet into the top of the check T before stage 1. Connect the non-wetting phase inlet into the back of the check T before stage 5. Connect the non-wetting phase outlet tube to the non-wetting outlet of stage 1 and place in a collection receptacle. Connect the wetting phase outlet tube to the wetting outlet of stage 5 and place in a collection receptacle. Turn the platform on and loosen the connections from the diamond bags to the interstage pumps to prevent a buildup of pressure caused by the movement of air inside the platform. Begin flowing the wetting phase at 3 milliliters per minute and note that it begins filling the mixing coil before stage 1 before permeating the membrane and moving to the mixing coil before stage 2. After the wetting phase has filled all of the coils and has begun leaving through the wetting outlet tube, turn off the wetting phase pump. Begin flowing the non-wetting phase at 3 milliliters per minute and note that it starts filling the mixing coil before stage 5. As the non-wetting phase begins leaving stage 5, lift the rightmost diamond bag off of the platform, allowing the air to evacuate and the bag to fill with the non-wetting phase. Once the diamond bag is full, place it back on the platform and fully tighten the fitting into the interstage pump. Repeat this process with all of the diamond bags, following the flow path of the non-wetting phase. Once the non-wetting phase has started leaving through the non-wetting outlet tube, turn off the non-wetting phase pump. Begin flowing the wetting and non-wetting phases at the appropriate flow rates for your process. During normal operation, the green pump status light should continually be turning on and off, while the red diamond bag caution light should either be off entirely or may occasionally be dimly lit. However, if a diamond bag caution light is constantly a bright red color, it is indicative of an issue with either the interstage pump or diamond bag. To learn how to resolve this issue, please watch our video on diagnosing caution lights.